fund reduces stake in Ally Financial Incorporated. The recent stock sale by Plato Investment Management Ltd. Plato Investment Management Ltd., a significant shareholder of Ally Financial Incorporated, has made a substantial change in its stake in the company. In the fourth quarter, the fund reduced its ownership by 41.9%, selling a significant portion of its shares. Smith purchased 10,000 shares of the insider trading policy violation, but the filing was not disclosed until February 1. This is the first time that the company has disclosed the violation, and it is unclear what the consequences will be. Insider trading policy violation. The recent purchase of shares by Ally Financial's CEO and CFO has raised questions about the company's insider trading policy. The policy, which is designed to prevent employees from using confidential information to gain an unfair advantage in the stock market, has been in place for several years. However, it appears that the policy has not been effective in preventing violations. The policy is not clearly defined, and it is unclear what constitutes a violation. The policy does not provide adequate training or guidance for employees on what is and is not allowed under the policy. The policy does not have a clear process for reporting and addressing violations. Consequences of the violation. The consequences of the violation are not yet clear, but it is likely that the company will take disciplinary action against the CFO. The CFO's purchase of 10,000 shares of the company's stock without disclosing the violation in a timely manner raises serious questions about the company's commitment to its insider trading policy. The CFO's actions may be seen as a breach of trust and a betrayal of the company's values. The company's reputation may be damaged by the violation, which could lead to a loss of investor confidence. Analyst consensus. The analyst consensus on Ally Financial is a mixed bag. On one hand, some analysts are optimistic about the company's growth prospects. On the other hand, others are more cautious, citing concerns about the company's exposure to interest rate risk. Key points from analyst reports, plus Goldman Sachs, $48 price target plus Keefe, Bruyette and Woods, $56 price target, outperform rating plus other analysts. Mixed views on growth prospects and interest rate risk. Industry trends. The financial services industry is undergoing significant changes, driven by technological advancements and shifting consumer behavior. Ally Financial, as a leading player in the industry, is well positioned to capitalize on these trends. Key trends in the financial services industry, plus digitalization and fintech, plus increased focus on customer experience, plus growing demand for online banking and financial services, plus regulatory changes and compliance requirements. Ally Financial's competitive advantage. Ally Financial has a number of competitive advantages that set it apart from its peers. These include its strong brand reputation, diversified business model, and commitment to innovation. Key competitive advantages: plus strong brand reputation, plus diversified business model, plus commitment to innovation, plus robust online banking platform. Conclusion: the analyst consensus on Ally Financial is mixed, reflecting the company's growth prospects and interest rate risk. However, the company's competitive advantages and industry trends suggest that it is well positioned for long-term success. Revenue growth and profitability improve for Ally Financial. The company's revenue was $1.43 billion, with a net income of $1.43 billion. Earnings per share, EPS, analysis: the company's EPS of 78 cents is a significant improvement from the previous quarter's EPS of 63 cents. This indicates that Ally Financial's revenue growth is translating into increased profitability. The EPS growth can be attributed to the company's efforts to expand its product offerings and improve its operational efficiency. Key factors contributing to the EPS growth: plus increased revenue from new product offerings, plus improved operational efficiency, plus enhanced customer experience, plus strategic partnerships and collaborations. Revenue growth analysis: Ally Financial's revenue grew by 10.3% year-over-year, driven by the expansion of its consumer lending business. The company's consumer lending segment accounted for 44.1% of its total revenue, with a significant increase in originations and delinquencies. Key drivers of revenue growth: plus increased demand for consumer lending products, plus expansion of Ally's online lending platform, plus improved credit quality and reduced delinquencies. Net income and return on equity, ROE. The company's net income of $1.43 billion represents a 10.3% increase from the previous quarter. Ally Financial's ROE of 9.31% indicates that the company is generating strong returns on its equity. This is a testament to the company's efficient use of capital and its ability to generate profits from its operations. The dividend is paid quarterly, meaning that investors will receive a dividend every 3 months. The quarterly dividend payment. The company has a history of paying quarterly dividends, and this payment is a testament to its commitment to returning value to its shareholders. The dividend payment is a result of the company's strong financial performance, which has enabled it to generate significant cash flows. Key highlights of the dividend payment. The dividend payment is $30 per share. The annualized dividend yield is $. The dividend yield is 45%. ##The significance of the dividend payment *. The significance of the dividend payment. The dividend payment is significant because it demonstrates the company's commitment to its shareholders. Ally Financial Incorporated is a subsidiary of General Motors Company, NYSE, GM, a multinational corporation with a diverse portfolio of brands and businesses. Overview of Ally Financial Incorporated is a financial services company that provides a range of financial products and services to individuals, businesses, and institutions. The company's primary focus is on providing consumer and commercial banking services, as well as investment products and insurance services. ###Key products and services. Consumer banking services, checking and savings accounts, credit cards, personal loans, mortgage products, commercial banking services, business checking and savings accounts, commercial loans, cash management services, treasury management services, investment products, brokerage services, retirement accounts, investment advice, insurance services, auto insurance, home insurance, life insurance. History and operations. Ally Financial Inc.